Dr. Mahindra Gupta, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur, for welcome address. Please, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Pooja. So, a very good evening to everyone present here. Now we are at the final stage of this international conference. RAPA 2021 is a specially designed conference covering a wide range of important sessions and has initiated with an outstanding program committee. The conference was aiming to bring together researchers and experts in the field of pure and applied algebra to share ideas, techniques, tools, experiences. We had special sessions on applications of linear algebra in control theory. I hope we have made this with the help of our 19 keynote speakers from all over the world. All of them are world famous experts in the field of algebra. A total number of 453 participants from all over India and 9 other countries registered in this conference online. We have received more than 100 abstracts, in which we have selected 90 abstracts for presentations. I'm very happy at the end of this conference. I'm very happy to tell you that more than 65 presentations have been done and rest of the candidates are absent. So that is a good presentation ratio, I consider it. The conference proceeding will be published by Springer Nature, and also selected papers will appear in the special issue of Palestine Journal of Mathematics, Scopus Indexed, after peer review. Now I would like to I hope that all the participants enjoyed this 3 days international conference. Without their enthusiastic participants, it would have been impossible to complete this event. I also hope that whatever knowledge we have gained during these 3 days international conference with help of all of us in future for our research work and higher studies. So I have attended most of the sessions. Wherever there are parallel sessions, I have been in at least one session there. I can confirm that all the presentations have been very good, and there is a very tight competition in the best presentation award. However, based on our recommendation of our esteemed session chairs, the team RAPA is going to announce the best paper award. The award goes to Chandan Kumar Vishwakarma from Central University of South Bihar. So the title of his paper is New Classes of Permutations and Complete Permutation Polynomials and Applications to Latin Squares. So my sincere thanks and my congratulations to Chandan Kumar Vishwakarma. We will give a certificate for best paper award. I sincerely congratulate to Chandan for his bright future in the algebra. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. Now I request to IAPS representative Dr. Avnish Kumar Chaturvedi, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, University of Allahabad, for few words. Please, sir.
A very good evening to all of you. I would like to extend my sincere thanks to the Executive Council for nominating me as IPC representative for one of its 25 conferences under the umbrella of CONIAPS 27, which are being held at 25 different universities, institutions across India during October 26 to 28, 2021. I congratulate the Department of Mathematics and NIT Jamshedpur, Jharkhand for organizing the conference CONIAPS 27 on recent advances in pure and applied algebra. The algebra is so beautiful and a highly powerful tool that when, as a human, we cannot describe the geometry of any object, it is just like to move in dark without any existing technology. The algebra gives us a path. It is a privilege and an honor for me on this momentous occasion to welcome all the eminent speakers and participants who have joined this online platform to exchange their experience and research work. It is a matter of great honor for us to have Professor Ali Jaballah, Department of Mathematics, College of Science, the University of Sharjah, UAE, as the chief guest of this inaugural session. We will honor in the presence of our guest of honor, Professor Mohammad Ashraf, the Dean, the Head of the Department of Mathematics, Aligarh Muslim University. Now, I would like to brief about the objectives of IAPS to all the eminent speakers and participants of CONIAPS 27. The International Academy of Physical Sciences was founded with its headquarters at Prayagraj on December 4, 1994. The Academy is always ready to accept the today's challenges, cut across the traditional boundaries of disciplines, and stretch across the life cycle of innovation from research to knowledge development and its application. It is the basic theme of the Academy that science, technology, and innovation must drive our pursuit of our equitable and sustainable development. The Academy organizes international conferences on annual basis with the brand name QuenApps. The QuenApps is one of the key activities of the International Academy of Physical Sciences to bring galaxy of subject experts from mathematics, physics, chemistry, earth sciences, and computational science at a common platform. The glorious record of the Academy is reflected from its seminal encouragement to the young as well as established researchers and scientists through its various awards and memorial lectures. The Academy gives recognition to the extraordinary contribution of the researchers by felicitating them with awards in the categories of Gold Medal of the Academy, Fellowship, Honorary Fellowship of IAPS, Swami Bhajanand Saraswati Vedic Science Award, Associate Fellowship of IAPS, Professor S.P. Dixit Memorial Award, Professor P.R. Sharma Memorial Award, and IAPS Young Scientist Award. The Academy has also established two memorial lectures, Professor R.S. Misra Memorial Lecture and Professor T. Pati Memorial Lecture. The Academy is publishing Journal of International Academy of Physical Sciences continuously since 1997. The journal is a peer-reviewed journal, publishes quality research papers without charging any fees. On behalf of the IPS committee, I extend my thanks to the Honorable Director, Professor K.K. Shukla, NIT Jamshedpur, the Registrar and Administrative Staffs, faculty members of the Department of Mathematics, and all the members of the organizing committee for organizing this conference. Once again, welcome and thank you all for your online presence and valuable contributions during the conference. Jai Hind.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words. Now, I would like to invite Publishing Advisor Dr. Manoj Patel, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, NIT Nagaland, for few words. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much, Pooja. A very good evening to you all. I feel great honor and privilege to speak in this platform. So I would like to thank organizer Dr. Ratnesh Kumar Misra and Dr. Mahendra Kumar Gupta and students volunteers of the conference for the organizing of such a wonderful online international conference on recent advances in pure and applied algebra at NIT Jamshedpur. As we observe that this is a very good and big online conference organized it. As Dr. Mahendra Kumar Gupta stated, there are approximately 65 presentations and 19 keynote addresses are delivered by the renowned speakers of India and abroad, including some well-known faces of algebraists as Professor Ashish Srivastava from St. Louis University, USA, Professor Ayman Badawi from American University of Sharjah, UAE, and today's chief guest of the valedictory function, Professor Ali Jawalla from University of Sharjah, UAE, and Professor Ramji Lal from IIIT Prayagraj, and today's guest of honor, Professor Muhammad Asraf from Aligarh Muslim University, and Professor Ashok Ji Gupta from IIT BHU, Professor Sivdat Kumar from MNIT Prayagraj, and many more. We all are very much grateful to Professor Ayman Badawi from American Institute of Sharjah, UAE, and Professor Muhammad Asraf of Aligarh Muslim University, India, for their constant help, valuable suggestions, and active involvement to make the conference a successful one. Also, for the encouragement to publish some selected and referred articles of this conference in the Scopus Index special issue of Palestine Journal of Mathematics and Springer Nature Proceeding. So right now, publication in special issue of Palestine Journal of Mathematics is already confirmed. But for the in Springer Nature, our discussion is going on. All the updated news will be posted on the in conference website. So thank you very much for your time.
Now, the chairperson of the conference, Dr. Sunil Kumar, HOD Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur. Unfortunately, he is not available due to some meetings. I would like to thank Sir for his continuous help and support throughout the conference. Now, I heartily welcome our guest of honor, renowned mathematician, Professor Mohammad Ashraf, Department of Mathematics, AMU Aligarh, India. I request Sir to speak a few words about his endeavors and his experiences. Please, Sir.
Sir, you are muted.
Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ali Jaballah from the University of Sharjah, Professor K.K. Shukla, Director, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Sunil Kumar, Chairperson, Department of Mathematics, NIT Jamshedpur, Dr. Ratnesh Kumar Mishra, and Dr. Mahend Kumar Gupta, Organizing Secretaries of this conference, and Dr. A.K. Chaturvedi, IPS representative from the University of Allahabad, and Dr. Manoj Kumar Patel, Publishing Advisor from NIT Nagaland, distinguished resource persons, participants, ladies and gentlemen. Good afternoon to all of you. First of all, I thank all the resource persons for their informative and inspiring lectures. I'm sure that it will inspire our young minds to choose their careers in higher education, especially in mathematics. As we have seen that this is a gathering which is full of algebraists, and as we have seen that more than 65 presentations were held. All these presentations are on different subjects in algebra. So there were so many fundamental branches of, so many papers from fundamental branches of mathematics, and mostly we see about algebra. I can say this is a branch of mathematics which is most powerful mathematical tools, which has acquired enormous application in various fields, especially in coding theory and graph theory. We have seen so many papers were presented. It has a large of application in engineering, machine learning, image processing, economics, psychology, demography, genetics, etc. I must say that in most of the branches of science, algebra has got enormous applications at so many places. And my advice to younger researchers is that they should go to, they should start working on the applications of algebra in various fields. Because when we started, working in algebra, initially I do remember my old days when we started researching this field. So at that time, we never thought about how to apply it. But just to see, now by the passing of time, we have seen that algebra has even, this is basically people were saying that this subject is, is not very applied. This is a pure mathematics. But just by the time, we have seen that it has got even application in image processing, even in medical sciences. So that's why we should choose the, all those subjects which are going to be applicable in different branches of science. So I would like to inspire the students on this occasion to take up this challenging career in the field of mathematics and participate in the scientific development of the country and help the society at large. I once again congratulate the organizing committee to organize such a magnificent program, and I wish good luck and all the best to all the participants. Thank you very much for your attention.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind words and sharing your experiences with us. I'm sure your words will inspire us as well as our attendees here, all of us. Thank you so much, sir. Now, I'm glad to respectfully and cordially welcome the Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Ali Jaballah, sir, Department of Mathematics, College of Sciences, the University of Sharjah, UAE. Now, I would like to request sir to kindly bless us with his kind words. Please, sir.
Thank you, Pooja. Good afternoon, everyone. First, I would like to thank you for this wonderful conference. I benefited a lot from it. I attended many of the talks. That was really very good organized. I would like to thank the organizer, especially Dr. Ratnesh Kumar, for allowing me this privilege. And I would like to talk after, in a general way, about the general question about mathematics. One of the main question is why do we do math? Why do we learn math? When are we ever going to use math in the real world? And why do we do research? In this regard, let me mention the following. Math builds better problem-solving skills. It teaches us how to reason, how to analytically think through a problem, how to reach solution in a logical way. Also, math helps almost every career. It is the heart of many careers now, such as programming, engineering, medicine, etc. In other careers, it is used to build and enhance important work in science, business, finance, etc. It enhances our creativity and is excellent for our brain. Recent research shows that children who knows math are able to recruit certain brain regions more reliably. As a math student, not only you deepen your knowledge of the field, you will improve your brain power. For the research can be a solution to an actual problem, but it can be a solution to unseen problems. Experience has shown that many research that has been done in the past is applied now. We should keep doing research. How abstract it seems to look like algebra, today's research is usually in most of the time the science of tomorrow. There are many examples confirming this. Therefore, I advise you and myself to do more mathematics. And thanks you for your kind invitation. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, sir, for your time and for your precious words. Your words definitely inspire us. Thank you so much for this talk.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Now, unfortunately, our Honorable Director, Professor K.K. Shukla, sir, is not available due to Senate meeting. We are very thankful to our Director for continuous help and support throughout the conference. Now, I invite our winner, that is Best Presentation Awardee, Mr. Chandan Kumar Vishwakarma, for few words. Please, Mr. Chandan.
Chandan is here. I think he lost network.
Okay, till then, if anyone from audience want to share their experiences, they can unmute themselves and share their experiences, or want to say anything, they can proceed.
Hi, Dr. Pratibha Tyagi from Vadodara, Gujarat, Parul University. And I want to say thanks to everyone, including organizer of the conference. He himself is my research guide, and I'm very thankful to every speaker who has invited as a guest, because personally I have learned a lot, because my field is also algebra, and whatever presentation I have attended, then each and every was very nice, and I have learned a lot. Thanks to everyone, Ali Jabala sir and Professor Mohammed Asraf and the sir, those who have given their share their precious knowledge. Thanks to all, and keep guiding us. As the Muhammad Ashraf sir has said, ki we need to apply the algebra in application. Really, the first, when we start to do research in algebra, then first we think where is the application. So we usually find the application, algebra of application in mathematics only. So we really take it as a challenge ki how to apply algebra in real life and all. So thanks to guide us, and thanks to share this all. Thanks to everyone.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your words. Your words are very motivating, and thank you so much.
Chandan is available here now.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Mr. Chandan, you can share. You can say a few words. Yeah.
Sir, first, thanks to all of you. I am very grateful that you have selected me as a best presentation award. I am really very grateful to you. And if I am working on permutation polynomial, which is a very basic and fundamental problem that given a polynomial to say that it is permutation or not. And it has many applications. If someone interested into it, then he can contact me. And anything else? Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Mr. Chandan,
Okay.
for your words. Yeah. And now I would like to invite Organizing Secretary of the conference, Dr. Ratnesh Mishra, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, NIT JSR, for vote of thanks. Please.
Thank you, Pooja. Am I audible?
Yes, sir, you are audible.
Okay. Very warm and healthy good afternoon to everyone present here. On behalf of the organizing committee of RAPA 2021, I would like to propose the vote of thanks to each and everyone who have contributed for overwhelming success of the conference. First of all, I would like to propose my hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest and keynote speaker, Professor Ali Jabala, Department of Mathematics, College of Sciences, the University of Sharjah, UAE. In spite of his busy schedule, he accepted our invitation to share his valuable knowledge with us. I would like to thank our esteemed guest of honor, Professor Muhammad Asraf, Department of Mathematics, Aligarh Muslim University, for accepting our invitation to share his valuable knowledge with us. I would like to thank Professor Ian Pandey, General Secretary in International Academy of Physical Sciences, Prayagraj, and ex-Vice Chancellor of Nehru Gram Bharati University for his continuous help and support. I would like to propose my sincere thanks to our Honorable Director, Professor K.K. Shukla, for his helping hand to conduct this conference successfully. I extend my grateful thanks to our Deputy Director, Professor R.V. Sharma, Dean RNC, Professor Sanjay Kumar, Dean Faculty Welfare, Professor M.K. Paswan, Dean Academic, Professor Amresh Kumar, Dean Student Welfare, Professor T. Mandal, Registrar, Dr. Colonel Nishit Rai, for their keen interest, guidance, and continuous support to make this conference a reality. I extend my sincere thanks to our chairperson of conference, head of department, Professor Sunil Kumar, for his guidance, suggestion, and motivation. My special thanks to our participants who have attended this conference. Without their helping hand, it would be impossible to complete this conference. I extend grateful thanks to our keynote speakers, chief guest of inaugural ceremony, Professor Ramjilal, IIIT Allahabad, Professor Sundarlal, ex-Vice Chancellor, Veer Bahadur Singh Purvanchal University, Jaunpur, Professor Ashish Srivastava, St. Louis University, USA, Professor Vinay Kumar, ex-scientist E and Technical Director, Government of India. Professor Ayman R. Wadabi, American University of Sharjah, UAE. Professor Shivdat Kumar, MNNIT Allahabad. Professor Nutan Kumar Tomar, IIT Patna. Professor MS Mahadeva Naika, Bengaluru Central University, Bengaluru. Professor Ashok G. Gupta, IIT BHU. Dr. Lazarus Miosis, Aristotle University of Thessaloniki, Greece. Dr. Avnish Kumar Chaturvedi, University of Allahabad, and also IAPS representative. Dr. Rajiv Anand Sahu, University of Luxembourg. Dr. Anand Tiwari, IIIT Allahabad. Dr. Sumit Upadhyay, IIIT Allahabad. Dr. Rajkumar Mistry, IIT Bhilai. Dr. Priti Singh, Patna Science College, Patna. And our publishing supporter, Dr. Manoj Patel, NIT Nagaland. So in spite of their busy schedule, they accepted our invitation to share their valuable knowledge with us. I owe my heartfelt thanks to our program committee, organizing committee members and team members, Team Rapa, Abhinav, Meenakshi, Pooja, and Mamoni. Student volunteer, Abha, Vikas, Vineet, Titus, Prempul, Anil, Khushbu, Ajay Chauhan, Ajay Kar, Samanvay Sarkar, Tapaswani, Anish, Ravi Ranjan, Asmiya Roshan, supporting staffs, esteemed experts in session chair, and faculty members of mathematics department for their support and entire effort to complete this conference. Once again, I thank one and all who supported directly or indirectly to make this conference a successful conference. So with these words, I would like to conclude the valedictory session of RAPA 2021. So once again, thank you to all.
There is one request to everyone. Please switch on your video so that we can click one photograph.
Yes.
Please, all of you.
Yes, Team Rapa hai. हो गया? Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, Ashraf sir. कुछ बोलना है तो?
You are welcome.
I hope to see you soon in another conferences.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We
And,
hope.
It's nice
Okay.
for you to see you again, Dr. Manaj and Professor Muhammad.